Hey family and frenzies, welcome back to our channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can feed a family of 6 from Dollar Tree for under $20. So I went over to the frozen food section. I found these mega bowls, which is a country fried chicken mega bowl with gravy, mashed potatoes, and corn. I also found this frozen macaroni and cheese, so we're going to do a little something with that as well. And to stretch this meal a little bit, we're going to add a little green. So I'm getting a bag of frozen broccoli cuts. So here are the frozen meals we're going to use today. Since we are feeding a family of 6, we did pick up 4 boxes of each meal along with the broccoli cuts. And altogether we spent $18.25. These are the seasonings I decided to use today. You may use the seasonings of your choice, or you may choose not to use the seasonings. Totally up to you. You're going to get you a baking pan, and then you're going to take the mega bowl meals, unbox them, and you're going to place each meal into the bottom of your baking pan. Okay, now once you have added your meals to the bottom of the pan, you're going to want to get some butter. Put a little butter in the bottom of the pan. This is going to help prevent the meals from sticking. And then now what you're going to do is you're going to place your meals in the oven for 30 minutes. And now it's time to prep your macaroni. This macaroni and cheese, guys, is very basic. Not very appealing to the eye, but we're going to fix that. So this is what it looked like. Pretty much a basic noodle and basic cheese on the side. So let's see. We're going to place all of the noodles and the cheese into your baking pan. Get you a spoon so you can break it up a bit. We need to add some flavor, so I melted some butter. So we're going to start off by drizzling that melted butter on top. Now make sure you mix it in pretty well. You want to make sure that it's evenly distributed throughout the noodles. Next, get your seasonings, season it up really good. This macaroni and cheese is very bland, so you're going to want to add some additional flavors. I added adobo, black pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. Now I'm going to take some shredded cheese. I have shredded cheddar here, and I also have some shredded mozzarella. I'm going to top the macaroni and cheese very well, not too much, but pretty much enough to give it a nice crust on top. Now this is ready to go in the oven for 15 minutes. After your mega bowl meal have baked in the oven for about 30 minutes, you want to take a spoon and stir your meal around. You have to stir the potatoes as much as possible. You want to be a little gentle. You want to make sure you move your chicken nuggets around to try and get under the potatoes. Make sure you stir it up pretty well. Then next, after you have stirred it up, add your seasonings. I am using the Goya Szechuan Total, some seasoned salt, and a little bit of black pepper as well. And now it's time to add your broccoli. You're going to just place your broccoli on top, just spread it out, and now it's ready to go back in the oven for another 15 minutes. And there you have it, guys, a very quick and simple, easy, less than $20 Dollar Tree meal to feed your family of 6. And look at this macaroni and cheese. You can't even hardly tell that this is a frozen macaroni and cheese. Hope you like it.